In this video, I'll show you how to enable the back button on an Android phone. As you can see down the bottom, I don't have any buttons, so I've just got to use swiping. So start by going into settings. Now, my option to turn on the buttons is in the convenience tools. If you don't know where yours is, simply search in the top bar, right in navigation, and that'll bring up your settings. So I need to go to convenience tools, and inside there you can see navigation buttons. So if I press on that, as you can see, swipe gestures from both sides is enabled, and I don't want that. I want the virtual buttons on. So I've enabled that, and then if you look at the bottom of the screen, you can see the button, the back button, and the home screen button. And that is how you enable the back button on an Android phone.